Plot a horizontal line on a given plot. How do I add a horizontal line to an existing plot?
You are correct. I think the 0 len axis is throwing you off. You'll want to reuse the original x-axis variable xs and plot that with another numpy array of the same length that has your variable in it. Hopefully that fixes the problem.
Use axlen, a horizontal axis line. For example, this plots a horizontal line at y equals 0.5.
If you want to draw a horizontal line in the axis, you might also try ax.lines method. You need to specify y position and min and max in the data coordinate, i.e., your actual data range in the x-axis. A sample code snippet is The snippet above will plot a horizontal line in the axes at y equals 0.2. The horizontal line starts at x equals 4 and ends at x equals 20. The generated image is
Use matplotlib.pyplot.lines. These methods are applicable to plots generated with seaborn and pandas.dataframe.plot, which both use matplotlib. Plot multiple horizontal lines by passing a list to the y parameter. Y can be passed as a single location, y equals 40, y can be passed as multiple locations, y equals 39, 40, 41, also, matplotlib.axes.axes.lines, for the object-oriented API. If you're plotting a figure with something like fig, ax equals plt.subplots, then replace plt.lines or plt.axline with ax.lines or ax.axline, respectively. matplotlib.pyplot.axline and amp. matplotlib.axes.axes.axline can only plot a single location, for example y equals 40. See this answer for vertical lines with .flins. plt.plot. ax.plot. Seaborn axis level plot. Seaborn figure level plot. Each axis must be iterated through. Time series axis. Xmin and Xmax will accept a date like the 10th of September 2020 or datetime 2020, 9/10 using from datetime import datetime. Xmin equals datetime 2020, 9/10, Xmax equals datetime 2020, 9/10, plus timer delta days equals 3, given date equals df.index9, Xmin equals date, Xmax equals date plus pd.timer delta days equals 3, where the index is a datetime index. The date column on the axis must be a datetime type. If using pandas, then use pd.to_datetime. For an array or list, refer to converting NumPy array of strings to datetime or convert datetime list into date Python, respectively. Sample time series data if web.datareader doesn't work. Bar plot and histograms. Note that bar plot tick locations have a zero-based index, regardless of the axis tick labels, so select Xmin and Xmax based on the bar index, not the tick label. Ax.get_tick labels will show the locations and labels.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.